Hi, this is Robert, and this is going to be a quick video on how to use the Wolters and Wolf Highlighted Scope toolset. So once you have this imported, you can go ahead and click on the legend here. Click it onto the screen. You can hit escape to not do another. And what we're going to want to do is title our descriptions as close as possible to the legend and the drawings. So I'm going to name our first description here WT01 window. Our second will be WT02. And then our third window type will be WT03. So I'm just going to do those for now, just to show you how this works. So we have a matching color for each one of these system descriptions. So if I come back over here, I can start highlighting my window wall. If I click on the yellow one here, I've got wall type 1 here at the top, and I can click and drag a rectangle to show where this system is. Got it at every level here. I can switch over to wall type 2, which is at the ground floor. Highlight all this. Just a note, you can also click off points instead of clicking and dragging a rectangle. So back to wall type 1 here. If I wanted to click these off, I can select points. And then once I get back to here, I can double click to close off the rectangle. As you can see, this selection tool is staying activated. So if yours is not, you can come up here to the review drop down, click on preferences, and then under tools, there's this reuse tools checkbox. So if this is not selected and I drag a rectangle in my yellow color here, you can see I can't drag another. I have to come back over here and click again to drag another. So if you want the tool to stay active, come into preferences, tools, and check the reuse tools checkbox. Some quick tips on how to use our new Wolters and Wolf highlighted scope tools. Thanks for watching.